Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to activate iPhone standby mode. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To activate standby mode on your iPhone, you can't follow these steps. So first things first, open the settings app on your iPhone. Go ahead and scroll down and find the general option. Under general, look for standby mode and tap on it. Ensure that the standby mode option is turned on. To use standby mode, go to the control center and make sure that the screen orientation lock, landscape or portrait mode is disabled. Now, turn off the screen of your iPhone, place it on a charger in the sideways position, and keep it stationary. Now, once the screen is off and the phone is placed sideways, a message saying "Welcome to standby" should appear, and choose to click continue. Now, standby mode works whether your iPhone is wirelessly charging or connected to a charger. It must be stationary and landscape mode. You will receive notifications even in standby mode. By following these steps, you can activate and use standby mode on your iPhone, providing a convenient and power-saving feature when your phone is charging on stationary. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.